Welcome everybody. We got Dirt Bike Syndicate / Enduro Cowboys, the Smoke Show and the Thump Show. Got the 450 today, giving her a little love. Yeah. Love the power. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, hey, there's a little, did we do that little single track that's up here on the right? I'll show you. It's kind of a fun little loop. All right, here we go. Yeah, there's a well, let's try it. Yeah. But there's no signs. Yeah. Oh, geez. If all single track was like this, it'd be easy. You know, it's not all rutted out. Good eye, good eye. Oh. Probably will come out in their backyard somewhere. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Boy, I really feel the weight when this thing is slow. Ooh. Oh. Yep. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, Harrison and I found this, I think it was last year when we were going to watch the hill climb. All right. Yeah. Yeah, the amount of throttle I give this thing compared to the 250 for a wheelie is, you gotta be really careful. It'll flip right over. Yeah. left here? Up, are we going to Wheelcate or no? There's that alternate way to get to the top though. That's kind of fun. Let's go do it. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Oh, that was deep. Woo! Got a little mud on, got a little spackling. Hard to see. Actually, it does not look too bad, really. I'm gonna give, oh yeah, I'm gonna give her a shot. Oh, no traction. Couldn't get traction. Yeah, I was giving her all she's got, but it looked a little more packed than it is. Put it that way. Wow, wow, that's sinky. Yeah, that's really soft. Holy shit. I mean, I made it up further than that when I did it before, and there's some pretty good rocks up there. Yeah, it just couldn't get the traction. Whew. Huh. Well, I thought for sure looked like I could get more hookup than that, but I could feel it when it started sinking in. It was like, nope. At least I put her going. All right, we'll go up around the side. The quote unquote easy way, which is still a challenge. But at least on that, you don't have to go balls out, you know. Yeah. This thing is just so, same here. It was just like, just goes. It doesn't really care. Some big rock there. You all right? Oh shit. Yeah, there's some big rocks here. I'm stuck on one of them. I'd like to say it gets easier, but it doesn't. Oh. I definitely felt the weight. Oh. Wow. You okay? kind of got cutting in and out, but I think I got you. There is another way up too, around the back. I'll come down and meet you back there. Yep. There's some big old titties in here. Wow. Big old titties. I see it. Okay. Oh, there you are. Shit. Sorry. Go ahead, go by me. So we're gonna take a right here. And there's a pretty easy way to get up. Yeah, it's not that bad. Because we're not going straight. We're cutting to the right here. We're not going up that shitty. And it's easy grade from here. On those rocks. Yeah. Yeah, this is the top of Wheel Cape Mountain hill climb. As you saw earlier, I only made it about halfway up, not even. It's really soft sand. It looked a lot harder packed than it is. I don't think I'm gonna go down that steep part though. I think we're gonna take the alternative route. Take the easier. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the high side here. Oh shit. Yeah, there is there's a tree down. You kind of have to cross over to the left here because there's a tree there, and on the right it's really nasty. So there's a big ass rock there. There's big ass rocks everywhere. But we're just gonna take her nice and easy. Oh shit. Boy, this back end wants to slide out on me. So much weight. All right. Oh. Coastered on our trace. Oh hey. Let's do a little family swap, man. Yeah, let's do a swap quick. Swap meet, man. Try her out. Oh no. Oh, you got a little. Oh, that's your helmet thing. Is that great? Is that great? Oh man. Juiceberg. All right. Oh man. This feels. Oh yeah. Whoa! Holy shit, man. You ain't kidding, man. All right, we got a dirt bike syndicate on the Hooselberg. Oh boy. Yeah, me too. Oh, is this nice? Oh my god. I need one of these. Good Lord. Holy Moses, I gotta watch. That's not where we went up, is it? Oh, okay. Is that great? Yeah. What about that way? That looks familiar. Wow. Holy shit, the power is unreal on this thing. Actually, and the suspension for, you know, being stock, it doesn't feel bad for me. The front end just comes up so easy. Oh man, is it gorgeous? Is it too stiff or? Yeah, it definitely is. Now, left or right? Let me consult the, let me look at the map real quick here. Just take a second. Oh, okay. That way. Yeah. The ergonomics of this bike, it feels a lot like my 250, you know, of course, but the engine is so linear and nice. Power is everywhere. Just wow. Yeah, it's, oh, I think I remember this, hey? That's all right, I think this is the way anyway. I'm gonna have to, yeah. This was either a really good idea or this was probably a really bad idea for my pocketbook, because now I really want one of these. Oh dear, oh dear. Some big rocks. God damn. This is what a perfectly jetted dirt bike is supposed to feel like, I guess. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my God, is that? Yeah, it is loud. From behind. Oh, this one here, yeah. 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 The poo-poo snake. Boy, when you're right behind that 450 and you hit the gas, it almost it's like deafening loud. Oh, you got me. That's all right. Getting a little sexy footage of the Husaberg for the ladies. Now, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Anti-bottoming agent. Yellow jays and blue jays, all the jays. Ah. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I feel like there's the main road is right there. Huh. And let's... Man, I'm kind of in love with this bike. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Huh. Oh, no, it's okay. Oh, no, right in the unprotected part of my stomach. It wasn't bad. It stung a little, but that's what I get for following so close. Oh man. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Whoa! Sorry, I got a little mud on your bike. It's a little deep on. Yeah, I went through that side there. It's not too bad. You can dab your foot on the left side. She'll give her. Yeah. Yeah, getting greasy. Okay. Jesus. Whew. Rap, rap. Rap, rap. Yeehaw! Yeah, remember what happened with the last time. Dirt bike Syndicate versus sideways logs. It's a yeah, that's not too bad. Oh yeah. The power of this reminds me of Jeremy's Husky 300 for sure. Wow. Oh, we're back on the pole line now. Oh yeah, now I know where we are. Yeah. Yeah. Getting jiggy with it. Oh. Yeah, oh, I'm more than all right. I'm loving life. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear the air box right underneath you. Like Jim's KTM, those years, my KTM had that real whistle, that whirring, like it sounds like a turbo spooling up or something. Oh yeah, now I remember. Okay. Yeah, I should have, oh yeah, this is it right here. I should have bled the front brake, sorry about that. Not sure why I didn't. Brakes are overrated anyway. That's what that lake is. It'd be good to ride. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't want to. I should have brought my DNR jacket then, I guess. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember this now. Yeah, it's hard to see some stuff underneath. Yeah. Oh, we go off. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. It's not, no, the power is almost, it's just the bike itself is different, but the power kind of feels similar. This one definitely is lighter, so it comes up easier. Oh yeah. Is that two? Okay. Ooh, there's a little thing going up right there. There's a thing. Okay. Oh man, this is gorgeous in here. Yeah. No. Oh shit. That was a... Huh. Oh, that's where I was thinking to get, because it looks like there's a place to get across there. Although from here it's probably deceiving. It's a drop off into that creek. But it kind of looks like something went up that way. But we're yeah. I don't know if I can see from here. Nah, it's not too bad. Huh. Let me go check it out real quick. Hang on. Let's see here. Let's see here. Going down into the bush here. Oh man, this would be a great spot to camp. There's a nice big open flat spot. Could have a fire. Are you kidding me? Oh! If I had a nickel for every time I've done that with that bike, it gets heavy real quick. And you definitely notice when you try to pick it up. Down in the creek. And probably get right up. Let's see. Yeah, so down here. Oh, saved it. There's a log there you got to get over. Some more logs. But I'll bet you if a guy scoped it out enough, you might be able to get up to the top of that hill. Yeah. Oh. All right. Well, Mission accomplished. It has been duly checked and deemed quasi-rideable. Yeah, it's much easier getting across this log coming down. Yeah, somebody's come right up through here. Oh my God, dude. This thing just, it's not even hard. It's like cheating. Yeah. Holy shit, dude. I mean, I was expecting, you know, and that was second gear. Yeah. Oh, is that great? Is that tube? Wow. This is your chance to do the hump. Oh my God, yeah. Oh, this is the part where we got to shoot up that little hill to get up on top. That's the cheater way. Of course, after doing that hill I just did, this doesn't really seem like much. I say that now. I better get up there first. Got my fan kicked on. Yeah, it's like this bike is a hill climb machine too, like that sandy backwoods hill climb by Phoenix that we do, where I shoot up the backside. On the 250 I gotta really, you know, it takes a lot more. This thing is just tractors right up, no problem. This hill I did with Sam. He was on the 2-stroke and I was on this, and it definitely is a little harder on this because of those rocks and roots and stuff. The weight of, like, if you kick into a rut or you hit a rock, the weight moving is so much more intense. The 2-stroke just kind of bounces around and it doesn't feel so bad. Let's go take a look at it and make sure that it's all clear still. Got the sun, of course the sun is glaring down too. Yeah, should be fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's really it's clear. It's a lot more clear than it was before even. Yeah, I was in first the whole way. Yeah. Yeah. That's gonna look good on the camera. Yeah, that actually was a lot easier than. Oh yeah, there's lots of little pieces of log too. Oh yeah, big old piece of sideways log there. Folks, we're getting into the greasy now. We're getting into the greasy. Even as dry as it is, there's still some mud here and sideways logs. Woo, baby. More sideways log. covered up back here. How you doing back there? You all right? Taking her easy. Meandering. Yeah. Oh, I just got a hammer through them. Except then, you know, there'll be that one that has a big old round rock in the middle that you can't see. And down you go. Into the muck. This is right about where Sam laid her down in the muck. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's really, for not really being that experienced, he handles himself pretty well on that. Wow. Yeah, somebody really rutted her out. I know. Sorry I didn't warn you. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's always nerve-wracking going through those because you don't know until you do.